There's not really much you can do when you're analyzing a 2.8 second solve, but we're gonna do what we can. Xuanyi got a 280. This is not news to anyone who's a cuber. And I'm gonna show you how he did it. So this is the scramble, it will be in the description. His first move is to look at yellow cross, because you have a lot of stuff on yellow going on here. We have this pair is like close to each other. This is a pair. These two edges are on the side they belong to. This is all very good information to have when you're determining what advanced solution you want to do. You do kind of have to pick and choose which ones you want to take advantage of. Like this pair is not going to be that big of a deal. I actually don't think it's going to be, no, it's not going to be affected by the first couple. So Xuanyi sees 3 pairs at inspection, and I will guarantee you that he saw 3 pairs at inspection. This edge is already set up to be opposite from the edge it's opposite from. And wow, this is attached to this axis. So any move that you do that affects this piece is also going to affect this piece, as long as it's like this. And that's the first move that he does. R is like that, and then B prime, just to fix that. And then once we have this, you can maybe see where this is going. I will give you a hint that our next pair is green and red. There's 2 ways to insert this, but only one way that really makes sense. You could go up like this and snag this edge, steal it, and then put it to this side, go like that. Or you can do 3 moves, like a normal person, what Xuanyi does. I was just showing you that other one because it can be beneficial sometimes. And then all you have to do, and all Xuanyi did, was R prime FR, and that does 2 things. It solves this, it does 3 things actually. Solves this where it's supposed to be, it solves this where it's supposed to be, and it creates this pair. So 3 moves accomplish 3 different things. And then just a D prime finishes our X cross. We have this pair, and when we insert this with a 3 mover, this will also become a 3 mover. It's very similar to the pair that we went over in Yihang's 373. So yeah, R, U prime, R prime, and then 3 mover right here. I think he saw all of that in inspection. I would not be shocked at all, because that wasn't a lot of moves. Then a rare Xuanyi sight, he rotates just in the middle of the solve, not even in the middle of a solution or anything. He rotates completely, and then this ZBLS is quite good and quite simple. It's M prime, U, M, U2, R prime, F, R. And what that does, I'll show you how that all works. M prime, the very first thing that you can see is that this edge is now with this corner, and this is a block. When you do U, M, this edge is actually going to take place of the cross edge. And then once you've done that, you have both of the components in order to finish the alg. U2, you take this block, insert it where it belongs, and this edge will be solved automatically. And then Xuanyi looks at his cube, and he has 9 moves, and then his solve is done. He actually could have done like some kind of cancellation in the middle of the CB alg, like something like this, M prime U, M, U2, I don't know, something like that. But he didn't do that because he didn't look ahead, which is fine. But I think that might have cost him a world record. 8 moves, U2, AUF, and then it's done. There's always a lot of stuff that you can gain from watching the advanced solvers, techniques, solves, finger tricks, stuff like that. Xuanyi is my favorite one to analyze personally, not just because I use ZB, but because I think his inspection is very, very intriguing, and how his brain works and how he's able to see 3 pairs. It's scary, and it's something I want to be able to do myself. So I encourage you to do the same thing. Look around for Xuanyi solutions that you can find reconstructions for, and then, yeah, go ahead and go crazy. See you tomorrow.